We're the J jumpers. This is Jay. Jay. I'm also known as Jay.
And I'm Jay. My name's Jay.
Okay. We are going to be doing flips, tricks, twists, and other stuff. Okay.
My name's Jay.
Okay. Me and him, which is I'm called Jake, and he is
Jason.
Jason. Okay, we will be doing a backflip right now because that's all he knows how to do. Ready? There goes him.
Look up. I can see you.
This is me. And now there's Jackson, the high flyer, flipper, whatever, and this is Jacob the Twister. I will also be doing a backflip, and he'll be doing a twist. Alright, front flip twist. I'm going to start this one off with a backflip, and he'll go now. The amazing twist. Woo! Okay. Now, me and him are probably, no offense to the other guys, but the better flippers. And we will be doing, I will be doing an aerial. He will be doing a full flip. Alright, you go. This is an aerial.
I don't know what an aerial is. You just saw it.
My bad.
Nothing.
And this is a full flip. Nice full flip!
My bad, Rita. I messed up.
Okay, now it'll be up to the high flying whatever and the twister. Now I'll be doing a regular front flip and he'll be doing another twist.
Yeah.
A different flip. Woo! Messed up! Twister! You guys can say something.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Alright. It's kind of starting off weird, but it'll get better. Okay. He will be doing a twisting front flip, and I'll be doing a back of flip a twist. Alright, he's gonna go first. Woo! Back flip a twist, here it comes. Whoa! Okay. Alright, so all we've really been doing is flips, back flips, front flips, aerials, full flips, now, and twists. Can't forget the twist. But, Cody, it's his turn. Just Cody. Or, my bad, whatever his name is. Jay! Jay, I'm sorry. I messed it up. I got confused with my other cousin, Cody. Woo! And then
I'm not done yet. That's on camera. He's showing. Ow.
Ouchie,
Do you need a band-aid? What's up?
that was very fantabulous.
Wow, Cody.
Now it will be
whatever your name is.
Jason the high flying flipper.
Jackson.
Jackson, whatever. I'll be doing something I can't land quite yet. The twisty back flip is what I call it. 360 backflip. Who's next? Okay. Here's my other friend, Jay. Come on, Jay.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be doing